Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem. In the right triangle ABC, AC is 12, BC is 5 and C is right angle. A semicircle is inscribed in the triangle as shown. What is the radius of the semicircle? Now this is a problem related to 9th grade or 10th grade. Let us see how to solve this problem. So first we have been told that this is a semicircle. So let us try to identify where is the center of the semicircle. This is the center of the semicircle. Let us say O. Then we'll join O to the point of contact between semicircle and the triangle because we know that angle will be equals to 90 degrees. Now we know the length from center to any point on circle is radius. So this is radius, and we also know that this length equals to 5. Why that particular length is equals to 5? Any idea? Because length of tangents drawn from an external point to the circular equal. So BC equals to BD. But what is AB? Can we calculate AB value? If you use Pythagoras theorem, we know AB equals to square root of 12 square plus 5 square because we have been given that this angle is 90 degrees. That means AB equals to 13. So that gives us AD equals to 13 minus 5, which is equals to 8. Now that gives us one right angle triangle AOD. We can write down in triangle AOD. Apply Pythagoras theorem. We have AO square equals to AD square plus DO square. What is AO? We know AC is 12 and we know OC is R, which tells us or gives us that AO equals to 12 minus R. Now let's come back and substitute the values. We have 12 minus R whole square equals to AD square, that is 8 square plus DO square, which is R square. Let's open the bracket. We have 144 plus R square minus 24R equals to 64 plus R square. We can cancel R square on both the sides. Cancel R square on both the sides. Then left out is we have 24R equals to 80, or R equals to 80 by 24. We can simplify that and write it as 10 by 3. So our option is D, which gives us 10 by 3.